No matter how much time, effort, and energy you put into planning an event, there are always going to be curveballs. The real key to a successful event is being able to anticipate curveballs and stay calm, cool, and collected when things happen, because they will, whether that's a vendor not showing up when they're supposed to, a speaker who misses their flight, or technology that fails for whatever reason. And a speaker missing their flight is exactly what happened to us a little while ago. This speaker, who was supposed to be a part of the keynote session, unfortunately missed their flight. The team really wanted the audience to be able to hear from the speaker because he was a reason that a lot of them were there. So, because he couldn't get in until the next day, we ended up completely pivoting and setting up an entirely new room so that during lunch the following day, when there was the most attendance, he would be able to speak and have interactive conversations with the attendees on site. It was definitely not something we planned for, and it was something that happened at the very last minute, but because our team was flexible and willing to make it work, the session went super smooth. The main takeaway: be overprepared and stay calm. Things are always going to happen, whether it's you have to switch out a wire or whether it's a speaker completely missing their session. You never know what to expect, but the more events you attend and the more you plan, the more you can be prepared to anticipate these curveballs that are going to be thrown your way. So having a backup plan and the mindset to be able to pivot on site makes all the difference. If you need help preparing or over-preparing for your next event, you can book a call with our team at the link in our bio, and we will see you next time. Bye.